In this video, we're going to walk through scope boxes and how you can use them to really just speed up the overall process for your projects. And if you've never used scope boxes before, you'll be delighted to see that what they can do for you. And maybe you've just seen them in a link model and really haven't used them much in your own models. So let's just walk through what scope boxes can do for you in your projects. First, you need to be able to create a scope box. So you're going to go to the View tab, View, Scope Box, and it's just going to be a simple click and drag. And we want, like, say the scope box to come to here, and we'll create another one for our unit B. And we want a little bit of overlap in them so we can see what's going on. So unit A, unit B. And then with this, we're going to click on them and then rename. So unit A for this top scope box and unit B in the bottom. It could be just A or B, whatever you want to call your scope boxes. So next we want to make sure that three-dimensionally these scope boxes are aligned. So what we'll be able to do with scope boxes once we create them, so we'll go to view, we can see that our scope boxes are short. So we want to make sure that they protrude through all floors of the project. So again, here, we'll go down because if we look at a three-dimensional view, we can see that scope boxes are going to encapsulate the entire three dimension of the project. So as we can see here, when we highlight our scope box, right? And if I turn shading off and go to hidden line, see this a little better, where these scope boxes here are going to encompass, the entire building. So you can lightly see them here. If we go to hidden line, this might be a little better or shaded. So we can see that these scope boxes are around the entire building. Just like we can see in our sections, maybe we don't need them this high, so we can drop these down. But again, they're going to go through the entire project and be three-dimensionally there, right? We can see them in floor plans and in section view. Now, the other beauty of this is, let's go and create another set of reflected ceiling plans. We'll duplicate these again. And what we're going to do is basically create where these got created. We'll just do another set of plans. Say these are in electrical ceiling for lighting, really. And then we'll go through and we're going to say this is for unit B. This is for unit A. So this becomes a very quick way to basically create your unit plans for your project. So again, roof, unit A, roof, and this is going to be unit B. So we'll get through these, unit A, unit B, unit A. B. Third floor, unit A and B. So now what we can do for each of these, right? Third floor, unit B, is to crop the view to the scope box. So third floor, unit B will now be cropped to that scope box. Third floor, unit A will now be cropped to our scope box. So unit A, unit B. And we go through and do this for each of them. So easy way to create your unit plans using scope boxes for your project. And then it'll be consistent for every single floor in the building. And then you can match your scope box with the architect's scope box. Or if you're the architect, you can have everyone match it to yours. So it's a simple way to use scope boxes for your projects.